Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. I just wanted to take a minute and say thank you for joining me today. Today we're going to be doing the unboxing of the Glossy box for April 2019. And I got variation 1. So let's see if we can get in here without all the problems I normally have. When you open it, this is what it looks like. Again, we have the Get Drunk on Glossy every month. I'm not a drinker, so of course that would be passed on. The box for this month is very cute. They are going green this month, hence the green box. So there is a little story on the back where you could fill in your own ideas. So that's cute. Oh, we get to get drunk double this month. So we have a $100 wine voucher, and we have a $50 gift card. Bright Cellars, discover wine you love. So take the quiz and redeem your $50 credit at brightcellars.com. So, Glossy wants us all to be drinking this month. Cute little bow, as always. You open it up, you get your little pamphlet. Inside this pamphlet gives you a little bit of the month hellos and what's going on. The coming soon. In the spirit of embracing Mother Nature's clean beauty ingredients this month, we also want to pay tribute to all the other wonderful moms we love by giving you a first look at our limited edition Mother's Day box. For all the mothers, grandmothers, and even mothers to be in your life, keep your eyes peeled for products she can happily indulge in because she deserves it. And then inside, of course, tells you about all the products you received in your box. It always has a cute little sticker. And you undo your sticker. This is what is inside the box. So the first thing I see is John Masters Organic Shampoo for normal hair, and the matching conditioner. This says the shampoo is with lavender and rosemary. The conditioner is with citrus and neroli. They are both 2 fluid ounces. And it says, for normal hair with citrus and neroli conditioner. For the full size 8 ounce, featured size is 2 ounce. The full size would be $19. For extra, no silicone, please, John Masters Organic Citrus and Neroli Conditioner will add some extra needed boost to your wash and morning routine, making hair easy to detangle. This combined with the shampoo will leave your hair luxuriously nourished. You can get 15% off your entire John Masters purchase on www.johnmasters.com with code GlossyClean15, and it expires June 30th of 2019. So that'll be good to try out. I know that rosemary is supposed to help your hair grow. Oh, I read for the conditioner. Let's read for the shampoo. The full size is 8 ounces. What we got was 2 ounces. Full size is, of course, $19. Rose oil is a hair growth must, which is why we're not surprised to see it as the key ingredient in John Masters Organics Lavender and Rosemary Shampoo. With a natural shine and free of sulfates, your hair will reach Hashtag goals this spring with a healthy start. So there's no sulfate. It's sulfate free. So that'd be nice. I can actually try to use that. The next thing I'm pulling out is by Kiehl's. These are very tiny, tiny samples. These are the Glow Formula Skin Hydrator. These are 0.17 fluid ounces. Full size is 50 ml. You get 2 of them. For full size, it's $38. It says, have instant glowing skin now and later with this pomegranate infused hydrator from Kiehl's. As one of the first brands to proudly list their ingredients on their products before the government mandated in 1924, you can be confident in ensuring your glow is naturally stunning now and in the future. You can receive 3 complimentary samples with your Kiehl's.com or Kiehl's retail store purchase. So, if you've never tried Kiehl's, now would be the time to do so. They are a great skin line. I do highly recommend going and trying that. The next thing in here is by Derma E. This is an overnight peel. The full size is 20 ounces. The featured size is 7 ml. It's $18.99 for the full size. This peel will take over the night shift and even out your skin's complexion while you are sound asleep. Derma E believes that skin health can be visibly improved through the right combination of potent vitamins, wholesome nutrients, and exceptional ingredients. With its vegan-friendly, non-abrasive alpha hydroxy acids, you can rest easily knowing your skin is in good hands. So you put that on at night and it does what it's supposed to do. You can get 20% off your entire Derma E purchase on www.derma.com with code Glossy20, and it expires May 20th of 2019. So you still have a few days to actually use that code. The next thing in here is by Beccas. It's a plumper. It's a natural lip balm. It is full size. This retails for $14. A lip balm that plumps, moisturizes, and gives a glossy look all day. Yes, please. Beccas Lip Plumper does it all in a sugarcane eco-friendly tube and 100% all natural ingredients. You can use code Glossy Shipping for free international shipping on www.beccas.com, and it expires June 1st of this year. This is what that plumper looks like, and it's just the flat end tube, which I really don't like these. I'd rather they have the applicator to actually go against your lips, but it is what it is. And then the last thing we have in here is by Juice Beauty. This is the Phytopigments Cream Shadow Stick. The color varies. This is full size. It is $22. An eyeshadow with built-in anti-aging ingredients. We expected nothing less from Juice Beauty's cream eyeshadow stick line. Juice Beauty practices farm-to-table ethics, meaning they own the very farms of their products' ingredients, all sourced from to ensure an organic composition of clean, healthy products that are great for your skin. There is 10% off your entire Juice Beauty purchase at www.juicebeauty.com with code Glossy10, and it expires May 15th of 2019. We got the color stone. Let me put on some eyeballs. Okay, we got the color Stone Rocher. It's number 22. And this is what that eyeshadow stick looks like. And this is the color of that. It's a very pretty color. It's a nudie color. It is rather tacky feeling. I'm not sure if it dries down, but I will give it a try and let you know. And that is what was in our glossy box for April 2019. So if you enjoyed this video, please give me a thumbs up. Possibly subscribe if you have not already. And until next time, stay beautiful. Bye.